We're live a minute ago. We apologize for the unforeseen circumstances. Yes?
It was saying that my phone was overheating.
The phone started to overheat and then the rain started to fall. So we got both situations all at the same time.
Yeah.
So this is our new kitchen. We just added it to the house. What's going on? Go on the kitchen. Go on the kitchen, Chris. Go on the kitchen. Yes, you're on the kitchen. You just had that piece of toast. Yes. That's
So the chicken there fried.
The fire just exploded for me a while ago. I took because we took off the pot.
So the next time I go live, guys, I'm going to use the computer. Because I realized the phone, because I was live earlier today. And it just stopped and I was wondering why. But then when I just saw it just now, I realized the phone is overeating. I guess
Yeah, and we're not done cooking food and the phone and heat already, you know? That's not right.
The phone belly full already. So the next time I do it, guys, but I'm gonna know, now I know that I can't use the phone to go live. If I'm gonna do a long live, I can't use the phone. I have to use the computer. Or if I'm doing like behave on yourself now.
Can't tell the fire about behave yourself. When you pop and clap, you see you took off like. Oh yeah. I told you.
Man.
Just is going in for the pickup at the airport. Today we have
I'm going with the
3 legs and 2
no,
wings.
this is to pick up the stuff. What is this again? The container or something? What the name? But you say you're going in for the pickup. What you bring in the van?
Let's take a chicken them out of
I'm going back into my
our
small kitchen, guys. After
our big kitchen.
do like this, so I don't stuck. Alright, chicken egg look nice. Look like it's ready. Look at that chicken leg. This way I can fry some more next time. I fry them more, yeah? Let's fry more. This one look ready.
Why you hold your hand directly over the fire blaze?
Nothing, yeah, no sense.
That is so smart.
Yeah. Put some more who can go over there.
I see them who them when we can't come here complain, but they now. Why we not now, see?
Chicken and fry more. I got taste this piece.
Look how she want to heat off the chicken now, watch.
Oh!
You put the whole of that name out?
Mm-hmm. It's nice.
I think you're going to give me a little piece of taste too. No. You don't want none. No, I don't think me. Take out the chicken out of the pot. Take the chicken out of the pot.
You can fry more. You can fry more.
That piece must not take out though.
It's alright though.
There's like a small piece I can take out though.
This piece?
Yeah. That's a neck and ribs.
I don't want to much.
No?
Hmm?
Is it still raining?
Yeah, fine, bro.
We come out our big kitchen.
So we're gonna share this. We're gonna share this, Sean.
No, we're not sharing nothing. That's
So you want it for yourself?
No, that's for me alone.
That's why you should test them yourself.
I want to test them too.
No, it's not baby thing. Go inside.
I'm inside.
Put it on.
Me.
She's about to regret that.
But you see my chicken net the other on camera?
Oh.
Payback.
Mommy?
So delicious.
Mom, please some.
It's nice here.
Not about me.
He's eating out the chicken.
Not about the backside I have it in front of it.
The smoke real, trust me, watch it.
I can't wait to taste that chicken all day.
You just taste it.
I want it to taste more.
So guys, I'm gonna put this fish in now. I already took out the chickens. Junior is washing the rice to put in. So I'm giving it to you just as live as it is. Put that in here.
Cock soup and coconut milk.
Yeah. And the salt and the sugar, you have to go and get those too. Want to get those first?
Absolutely.
Want to get those first?
I'm going to put it in my first and then I get it first.
Okay.
Good. Let me say good.
My hand.
I can't find the center board.
My hand.
Should I say? Work. Make a hand of it. Good, board. Under the fire. Yeah. Alright, press it on.
Right, come wash your hand.
Yeah.
On the fork, stir it.